Hello friends, welcome to PHP tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll study about the function. The real power of PHP comes from its functions. In PHP, there are more than 700 built-in functions. But in this tutorial, we will learn how to create our own functions. To keep the script from being executed when the page loads, you can put it into a function, and a function will be executed by a call to the function. You may call a function from anywhere within a page. Now let's see how to create a PHP function. This is the syntax for PHP function. First of all, write function keyword, then space, and then write any name of function, and then code inside the curly braces. Here some important points for the functions. Give the function a name that reflects what the function does. This is not compulsory, but this is for good programming skill. And the function name can start with a letter or underscore. Now let's see one example for simple function. This is the simple function write name. Here the code simply write is the program string. I have used echo here, and after echo I am calling function here. You can call anywhere this function in your document. Let's see the output. My name is the program. We can also add parameters to the function. To add more functionality to a function, we can add parameters. A parameter is just like a variable. Parameters are specified after the function name inside the parentheses. Let's see one example. Here write name function has one parameter which contains fname variable, and then we will write this variable here by using echo. Here we are calling function write name and passing value to this function. Here we are calling this function second time, and here we are calling this function third time. Let's see the output. Okay, all three values. Let's see one more example. In this example we are passing two parameters, fname and language, and then this function will write these two variables. Here we are calling functions and passing parameter values three times. Let's see the output. Okay, so this is the output for our function. PHP function also provide facility to return some values. Return values to let a function return a value. You can use return statement. Let's see one example. Here we are taking x and y as parameter in add function. Then we are doing addition of these two values, and then we will return this total variable. So here this is the process, and here we are calling this function. Let's see the output. So here this is the output, and this is the value of total variable.